Welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today we're going to be working on super easy Lego treats. This one is a Lego block brownie. So basically I baked a pan of brownies. They've cooled off completely. I cut them into 14 rectangles. And you're going to need a package of M&Ms, food coloring, whatever food coloring you choose to use, and you're going to need a tub of icing. The next thing that I've done here is separate a couple spoonfuls of the white icing into 4 separate bowls. I'm going to do yellow, blue, red, and green. Green, blue, yellow, and red. I quickly took and separated all the M&Ms and I put them next to the icings that they coordinate with. Now, I know it's a weird angle, but I want to get this in frame. I set some of the brownies here so we can work on them. And what you want to do is you want to do a thin layer of icing but still be able to see the color. These are going to be sweet enough, but I just thought this was a fun DIY treat for Connor's Lego themed birthday party. So I thought that I would come on here and share it with you in case any of you are going to do a Lego themed birthday party in the near future. Now the next thing you need to do is take your coordinating M&M shades, and I'm going to do the M down for these. You're going to need 6 M&Ms per block.
But, yes. Let's see. Oh man.
I'm going to have them laid out and organized, and I'm going to serve them on this clear plastic kind of serving tray thing I found at the Dollar Tree. I love this idea. It was super easy, super fun to make, and they actually do look like little Lego block brownies. So I thought that I would share this DIY